This is the new setup of the solar furnace, the reflector. It's producing about 2 kilowatts of heat energy now in like a shiny day like this. I'll show you with wood and the paper. Pretty powerful. I made this for experiment. Hopefully I'm gonna experiment the curling engine, maybe steam engine, and some other things. Like you experiment using it as a cooker for third world countries. Now this is the paint of that metal is burning. I'm gonna change its angle so it stops burning the paint.